Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Man City FC. To truly master their style, you must embrace a possession-heavy approach, aiming for over 60% of the ball. Their typical formation is a flexible 4-3-3, which allows for both defensive solidity and attacking flair. Prioritize quick, incisive passing to move the ball swiftly through the midfield, creating openings and dictating the game's tempo. This foundational understanding is key to unlocking their full potential on the pitch. When attacking, Man City thrives on precision and movement. Utilize your fullbacks to overlap wide, providing crucial support to the wingers and stretching the opposition's defense. Look to create numerical advantages in central areas, drawing defenders out of position and opening up passing lanes. Quick 1-2 passing combinations around the 18-yard box are incredibly effective for breaking down stubborn defenses and creating clear-cut scoring opportunities. Aim for around 15 to 20 shots per game. Controlling the midfield is paramount for Man City. Strive for high possession, ideally above 60%, to starve your opponents of the ball and dictate the game's rhythm. When possession is lost, immediately trigger a high press, with your forwards and midfielders aggressively closing down opponents to win the ball back within 5 seconds. Your defensive midfielders are vital. Position them to shield the back four, intercept passes, and break up opposition attacks before they reach your penalty area. Each player has a crucial role in Man City's system. Your striker should act as a focal point, holding up the ball and linking play with advancing midfielders and wingers. Empower your creative midfielders to dictate the tempo, spraying passes, and delivering incisive through balls. Remember, adaptability is key. Be prepared to adjust your formation or pressing intensity based on your opponent's strengths and weaknesses. This tactical flexibility ensures you can overcome any challenge on the pitch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.